Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. Today, I'm back with another show in our series of Thanksgiving specials. This time, I'll be making my homemade stuffing. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients I will be using in my stuffing. In this bowl here, I have parsley, green bell pepper, scallion, onion, and celery. This is the seasoning that I'm going to be using. I have poultry seasoning, rosemary, black pepper, salt, onion, garlic powder. I have a cup and a half of chicken stock. I have a half a stick of butter. I have unsalted butter, but you can use salted butter if you like. And this is the bread I'm going to be using. Italian bread. You can use French bread, regular bread, whatever bread you choose to use. Now, this is the first thing we are going to do. We're going to cut it up into cubes. It's best if you use a day-old bread. But if you don't have day-old bread, you cube whatever bread you have and you put it on a baking sheet with parchment paper and you put it in the oven for 10 minutes to dry it out. So now I'm going to cube up the bread. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. And also you can make this stuffing with sausage if you like, fruit, like dried fruit, cherries, apricots, whatever dried fruit you would like to use. But I'm making it plain, just a herb stuffing. You see, you cube it up and you lay it out on the pan. I already placed the butter in the skillet. The next step is add the vegetables. Now, all of these vegetables must saute up together. You see them? This on. You see the vegetable are sauteing up in the pan. Now the next thing is we put the seasoning in. The vegetable has finished sauteing. I've turned it off and I've taken the bread out of the oven. You see how crispy and dry it gotten? So this is the next step. You get a bowl and you put the bread cubes in the bowl. You see the bread? Now this is the next thing we do. We take the sauteed vegetable and you put it in the bowl with the bread, the cube bread. Okay, mix this up together. Then we take the chicken broth and we put some in the bowl. We keep mixing this up. See, I'm mixing it all up to every bit of it. The bread cubes will get some of the chicken broth in it, on it rather. There you go. Now this is the next step. I have a baking pan here. I've rubbed some butter on the baking pan. You take this and you put the bread, the cube bread and this mixture together, the stuffing. I've already put the stuffing now in the baking pan. This is it. I'm going to put it in the oven and let it bake for about 15 minutes. And I have my oven on 325 degrees. I've just taken it out the oven. This is the finished result. Homemade stuffing. Let's try some. See? Tastes good. You can taste all the herbs in there, the seasoning, the butter. Everything is good. Excellent. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. Also, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.